Oh, you dropped it. Go down and get it. Go down, I said.
He's not blueberry, but she's so cute. I like the one. I didn't think he was gonna like it. He was scared at first.
Where did you get that from?
I was trying to make believe he was a prince. Put it on top of his head.
Oh, little prince. Why are you playing around with your little crown? Look how he's doing. You're funny. You funny, my darling.
What's the point of doing that?
I don't know. Distraction. Distraction.
Look at the bird, Stacy. What the heck does he have?
Oh, you dropped it, my darling. Okay, that's enough.
I can't.
Say bye. Where's the pinto? Oh, up there. You scare me.